Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi everybody.
Today we're going to review a brand new box to the channel. This is the Humble Pie Curated Kitchen Box. And in this box, they put the label over the front, but it's a cute box. But it has my shipping information on the front, so I can't show you. But it shows Humble Pie here, and you can see inside. It's a pretty pink box.
It is. They packed it well.
They did. Krista's the one that actually found this box for the channel. She was watching YouTube, of course.
I was watching one of the ladies we follow, and it was a new subscription to her, and the price was like incredible, and then the products inside were like, wow, I can't believe how great she picked the products for her box.
And we're both cooks, so we like to find a good kitchen thing and a good kitchen box and use the stuff in it. So this one is, I'm going to show you, cover up part of it. There's some QR codes under this, but they came with some laminated cards, and it has information about what's in the box and also some QR codes. The reason these codes are here is there's recipes and things that are specific for the subscriber. The box actually comes with a cooking class for each box that you get. So I'm going to go over the specifics for the Humble Pie Curated Kitchen box. If you are not familiar with it,
find it on Cratejoy.
You can find it on Cratejoy. It is a quarterly box, so it comes out every 3 months. They ship February, June, September, and December. We got the June box in May, and it is $50 a month if you just, or it's $50 a quarter if you just get it quarterly and pay for it quarterly. If you get it and pay for 2 boxes at a time, so 6 months, half a year, you will be paying $40 a box. If you pay it for a whole year at one time, which is going to be 4 boxes, it's $37.50 a box, which is what we did.
Incredible pricing for what you get inside the box.
And right now, there's half off your first box if you do a 3 or more month, a 3+ months box. So if you do like a 6 months or a year, you'll get half off your first box.
Exactly. These make great gifts. You know, graduations just happened. College students moving into their first apartments, get them a quarterly subscription for the year, help them get cute things for their kitchen on top of recipes or great birthday gifts. I mean, there's
if you forgot Mother's Day.
Yeah, if you forgot Mother's Day, you can get this out there.
So let's check and see. It comes really nicely. It's heavy, by the way.
It is
it's
very
super
heavy.
I'm sorry, I actually made the table move. It's so heavy. But it comes very well bubble wrapped. It's got, what is that? A little magnet. Cute. Yeah. And it's all well packed, so I'm just going to set it down here on the table and we'll start going through it. So some additional information is it's American-made kitchenware. There's not just kitchens, it's a food kitchen box. So there's a variety of things in here, and I'm excited just from what I'm seeing so far.
I know the first box we watched that we didn't get because it sold out, I was like blown away with the stuff in it. I'm like, I have to have this box.
I've never seen this first item, so I'm kind of excited for this one. And this is a food product, so it does have food products as well as, I guess we'll see what else. And this is from White House Fruit Farm. This is pecan pumpkin butter. And this pecan pumpkin butter is a 9-ounce jar, so that's a good bit. Toast in the morning. I love that.
Or biscuits.
Biscuits.
Next item is this. We're going to unpack it. Oh, look how beautiful. A beautiful milky green syrup dispenser.
It reminds me of the old-fashioned milk glass.
Yes. Oh my gosh, this is so cute having your kitchen put out the breakfast table.
I love that.
I love it.
Glass? Ooh,
yes,
it's glass.
It's thick, heavy glass. This is really nice quality.
That's beautiful. I'm excited so far for this box. The next item is maple praline flavored syrup.
Oh, that sounds yummy.
It does sound good. We've gone straight to just unwrapping the bubble wrap off of them. They're packed really, really well in bubble wrap, so I'm going to unwrap them and then show them to you. But we got syrup for our syrup container.
Breakfast is served.
I need some pancakes now.
Exactly.
That sounds really good. This is also from the White House Farm, which is the same company that made the pecan pumpkin butter. Ooh, that would also be good on pancakes.
That would. Next thing we have is this cute little orange,
I'm not sure what.
bowl dish cover. And so it stretches.
Oh, is it plastic inside?
It's plastic inside.
Oh, it's to keep your leftovers.
Oh, I love the orange and the flowers.
The daisies.
See the name?
It's what?
It says Doa Deer.
Doa Deer. Cuteness. I just want to get like a Cabbage Patch doll and make it a shower cap. That would be adorable. Well, I think we figured out why the box was so heavy. We have a cast iron fry pan. So this is like for individual little omelets, or they can have a potato dish in there. If you want to do something super fun, you could do like a brownie or chocolate chip cookie in here and serve it with ice cream on top for a date night for two, or get another one of these and serve them for the family. That would be fun. And it's heavy. It doesn't say if I can't tell if it says if it's pre-seasoned.
If not, I'm sure there's instructions somewhere in the spine print.
Yeah, it's got a lot of paper, it's got a lot of instructions and information on it.
Oh, it's so cute.
Very fun.
So next is this beautiful, heavy iced tea tumbler in this beautiful smoky purple color.
It's so beautiful.
I mean, my favorite color. Oh my goodness. This is cute. Sitting out on the back porch, your favorite iced beverage.
Or use it for a flower vase.
Yes, you can use it for a flower vase.
Or a makeup brush cup. There's a lot of uses for something like that. And it's a heavy, sturdy. It's not
it's heavy and sturdy, yes.
The next thing in the box is, I believe, a tea towel. What does it say?
Roll call.
Roll call. It's roll call. It's only printed right there where it folds over. This is huge.
That's a huge tea towel.
Oh my gosh. This is almost like a in-table tablecloth. I'm still back here. But it is only printed right on where you would have to fold it, so you'd have to always fold it exactly that way. But it's really nice quality. Size. It's a heavy cotton, linen, whatever.
Keep by the sink, by the stove. It's nice.
And it actually has the Humble Pie logo on there as well.
Which is cute.
Very cute. That's the last thing.
And then the last thing we have is this really cute chevron purple engraved.
And look at the
pot holder. And like a starburst print almost in purple. And so we have the tea towel with lavender on it from our holiday haul from Easter.
Oh yeah.
So now we got a purple pot holder, even
kind of goes with it.
Yes.
And doesn't hurt much that Krista loves purple. So
exactly.
That was a really great box, and we did get the pay for a year up front. So this was a $37.50 box for us.
For everything we got.
I really recommend that payment method. Is the cheapest way to do it. But even the 2 boxes at a time is only $40 a box.
Yeah.
And to get all these for $40, we got 2 food items, we got 2 kitchen items, and 3 whatever these things are.
Like kitchen linen type
3
things.
Kitchen fabric items. So this was how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 total products in this box. So that's super cheap. Really
highly
reasonable.
Recommend this box.
The value for this box was incredible. I am so glad Krista found it.
Made in USA stuff, so I really appreciate that too.
This is awesome. I love this one. If you guys enjoyed this box and you would like to see more of this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on future videos. And for today, from Beth and Krista, have a great rest of your day.
Bye.
Bye.